Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make it easier to see in Dress to Impress when it's the Garden of Eden round. So this is something I learned. I don't know if it works 100%, but you're just going to go to the menu, go to settings, make it night, and then make it day. Oh, actually that helped kind of. Actually, that really helped a little bit. Like, right? It did make it look brighter, and you can also go to codes and maybe use this dress in the VFX so you guys can see a little bit better using the light from the dress itself. But yeah, that is how you can make your this round a little bit brighter. Just go to settings, go to night mode, and then go to day again. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.